Hello everybody. So, this COVID-19 that's going around, it's gotten really out of hand lately. And, for me, it all started with a sneeze.
We begin our bulletin with breaking news and the first cases of human-to-human transmission of the coronavirus.
I got the news playing right now.
Confirmed. 3 more people have been infected by the virus, including the sister of a man who travelled to Iran and a doctor who was treating a patient at a Sydney hospital. As cases around the world multiply,
it's starting to get bad out there.
Authorities are urging people not to.
Anyway, it started with a sneeze with me, and now my nose is really itchy and my eyes are kind of watery, but I'm going to document my time. I'm actually quarantined inside of my own home, so I'm going to make some videos. Hopefully it'll just go away like a cold, and I'll keep everybody informed as to what's going on. See you later.
This evening. Anyone who's
hey guys, it's me again.
Must self-isolate by staying at home with no visitors and wear a surgical mask.
They're asking people to wear masks now. It's been about 24 hours
Canberra, where at the moment at least
I talked to you guys last. Starting to feel a little bit more under the weather.
And in New South Wales, 80
getting a little
people are still
pale.
being tested. A travel ban remains in place for
Not
Iran
feeling too
and China.
hot.
A travel warning to northern Italy has been upgraded. Stay away. Korea and Japan are also considered no-go zones. For days, we're being warned not to panic, but in Hornsby, Thornley, Chatswood, Dee Why and Mossman, clearly the message isn't getting through. As toilet paper and canned food
starting to take everything off the shelves,
and online hand sanitizers,
everything
sold out on almost every site.
Out of everything.
I'm definitely not a doomsday prepper. 100%. I've never done this in my life.
Well,
has been stockpiling.
I'm gonna keep you up to date, but just wanted to say hi. It's the second day. We'll see what's happening. I'll probably.
I'd like to be prepared for the worst, but
oh God! I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.
Hey guys, I'm back. Today's the third day. I'm not feeling good at all. I'm getting these really weird bruises on my head and my face. I haven't slept in 3 days. Really dehydrated.
We would do it differently in light of those learnings.
What is going on here?
Quarantining everyone on the
They hurt when I push on them.
Nobody is taking a chance. In South Australia, people at risk of spreading the virus could be arrested under new laws.
We can use security officers, police.
The news isn't getting any better. Everybody's
some of the orders in force.
Faced with the potential
excuse me, sorry.
coronavirus.
That's what's happening.
Children as young as 10 now have access to the influenza vaccine from the local pharmacy.
I need to go lay down.
But protecting the economy from a recession will take
I'll record more in a little bit.
Daniel Bryan.
Hey guys, it's day 4, and I have this overwhelming urge to constantly pick my nose. I feel there's something in there. I can't get it out. My head is so bruised. My face and my eyes have got black eyes. There's the news.
Well, China's coronavirus continues to spread. Authorities are saying
it's not getting any better.
In 10 days, there are now being 132 deaths, close to 6,000 cases, and 16 countries outside of China have confirmed cases. As you can see from this graph, the number of cases has spiked over the past week.
I just can't get it. It seems like
Wuhan continues to be at the center of the outbreak. The authorities are telling residents not to travel anywhere. This is the situation in which some of those residents are living. Completely deserted streets, as you can see, because people are not only being told not to leave the city, but they're told not to leave their homes. Also in Wuhan, this has been 2 new hospitals are being built, especially for coronavirus patients. First, 1,000 beds.
I just need to get in there, though. It's so hard to...
Well, you can also see conditions inside one of the existing hospitals in Wuhan. Dozens of patients have to queue, checks, new patients are arriving on time, and you can see everyone face masks, some medical staff wearing body suits as well. And then this is in Hong Kong, where people have been queuing for a huge amount of time to buy face masks because there's a citywide shortage of them. Well, as we have done every day since this crisis began, the Chinese authorities have been briefing us.
I'm going to charge you. We are now in a critical period of prevention of this epidemic. We need to control the potential source.
Oh my God.
Well, the BBC Stephen McDonald just been to Hubei province report. He's back in Beijing where he's based.
I've been going through tissues like crazy.
Everybody who's been in Hubei province is expected to stay away from their workplace.
Listen, it's not
That's what I'm
getting any
doing
better out there, guys.
It's just that the authorities are taking more strict precautions. When you go into buildings,
keep getting messages from everybody.
You go into buildings,
trying to see how I'm doing, and
whether it be an office building or a building where people live with flats. The streets are very quiet in the Chinese capital. I mean, it's normally kind of quiet for the Spring Festival, but it's very quiet too. Now, it seems that this is a much more infectious virus.
Well, we've heard the update of the Chinese authorities. Next, let's hear from the World Health Organization.
The whole world needs to be on alert now. The whole world needs to take action and be ready for any cases that come, either from the original epicenter or from other epicenters that are established.
So the virus continues to spread. There has been a breakthrough. Scientists
know what that is.
have recreated this new coronavirus, and that may help efforts to diagnose and treat it. Here's the head of the team behind that work.
I just go through so many tissues. It's crazy.
To move forward that have been delayed, and it's to have been able to fill that gap in the space between 2 a.m. Saturday morning when the first case was diagnosed in Australia and Monday when we believe we had the virus growing in culture.
Hundreds of British citizens flown back to the UK from Wuhan.
I just need to get that stuff out of there.
Health editor Hugh Pims says that the British passengers joining the flight from Wuhan will be required to sign a contract committing them to a 14-day quarantine period on their arrival, and it's believed they'll have to stay in
I feel like I'm falling apart. My tongue and my teeth. I've lost a few teeth. My eye. I see. It's everywhere. Oh man, I'm falling apart. My tongue. Oh god, my tongue. I feel like I'm gonna puke. My tongue up. Freezing. I'm so cold.